Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be walking you through step by step how to create a stunning photo gallery in Notion. Whether you're looking to showcase your favorite photographs, organize journal covers, or simply want to make your pages look more visual and engaging, this tutorial is packed with my top tips to help you make the most out of Notion's gallery features. By the end, you'll know how to build a gallery that looks great and works perfectly for your needs. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to create a gallery view. In Notion, this is as simple as typing gallery on your page or selecting gallery when you add a new database. This gives you a grid where each entry becomes a card perfect for displaying images. Think of this step as laying the foundation. Your gallery view is the canvas for everything else you'll set up. Now let's talk use cases. One popular way to use photo galleries is for organizing journal covers. Imagine flipping through a stack of beautiful notebooks. That's the vibe you can recreate digitally in Notion. If you're a photographer, designer, or even just someone who loves collecting memories, this is a fantastic way to visually organize your content. Once your gallery is set up, head over to the settings and check out the card view and cover view options. This is where you choose how your images show up on each card. Selecting a cover view allows each card to feature an image front and center, which is crucial for photography or visual portfolios. It's like lining up your favorite art pieces in a real gallery, where the images are given the spotlight. There might be times when you want a cleaner look, especially if the titles of your cards clutter the gallery. Under Settings, you'll find an option to hide the title. When you enable this, each card becomes purely visual, making your gallery feel more like a photo wall than a spreadsheet. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can always bring those titles back. Next, adjust the card size in the settings. Notion lets you choose from different card sizes, so you're not stuck with the default. Larger cards work well if you want images to stand out, while smaller cards are great for tighter layouts. Take a moment here to experiment. Think of resizing a picture frame to fit your wall just right. Another setting to look at is Fit Image. This ensures each cover photo fills the card neatly rather than awkwardly cropped or stretched. It's a subtle change, but it makes your gallery feel professional. If your images look off, just toggle this setting until they're displayed perfectly. If you want each card to have a bit of personality, you can show the page icon. Some people use cute emojis or distinctive symbols as icons, and displaying them on your cards adds another layer of flair or meaning. It's a small touch, but sometimes those details make the biggest difference. For organization, add some tags or checkboxes. Tags let you categorize by theme, location, or mood, while checkboxes are handy for tracking status, maybe marking which photo needs editing or which journal entry is finished. It brings a sense of order to your gallery, especially as it grows in size. Grouping is another powerful feature accessible through settings. You can group cards by any property like date or category, which creates sections in your gallery. For example, group journal covers by month or photos by travel destination. It's an easy way to help viewers navigate or to keep yourself organized. As your gallery grows, searching and filtering become essential. Notion makes it easy to search by keywords or set up filters for tags, dates, or other properties. This saves you from scrolling endlessly and helps you find exactly what you need in seconds. It's like having a personal assistant who always knows where everything is. And here's a little bonus tip. Notion's gallery view is packed with even more options. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment beyond these steps. There could be a setting or a feature just waiting to fit your workflow. Thanks for sticking with me. If this video helped you create your own photo gallery in Notion, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have any questions, ideas, or want to share how you use your galleries. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Notion tutorials and productivity tips. I'll see you in the next one.